Hello everyone, listen to this commitment from me. You can save at least $10,000 a year simply by watching this entire video and applying the simple secrets I'm about to share. That huge sum of money is the expensive medical cost that millions of seniors in the US are paying annually for cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, cholesterol, or type 2 diabetes. So how can you turn this financial burden into savings in your account? The secret lies in anxiety. Regardless of its origin, prolonged anxiety not only drains energy, but also silently devastates your heart, pushing you into risk of extremely costly diseases to treat. Don't let anxiety become the thief of your money and health. In this video, I will expose that connection and share 5 natural secrets along with immediately applicable lifestyle changes. They will not only help you feel more at peace and protect your precious heart, but most importantly, help you save thousands of dollars every year avoiding unwanted medical bills. These are practical, easy to understand, and scientifically proven tips. Watch until the end of the video to grasp this golden key for a healthy, peaceful, and financially stable life today. Anxiety is not just a passing feeling of sadness or stress. It's a real health problem, like your body being constantly stuck in an alarm mode. Imagine your body is always preparing to fight or flight from some danger. Even if that danger isn't truly right in front of you sometimes, it's just worries in your head about bills, family matters, or unhappy news on the internet or TV. But your body still reacts as if it's real. Your heart beats faster, blood pressure increases, and stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline pour out. When this alarm mode stays on and doesn't turn off, your life will be filled with all sorts of annoyances. You'll find it hard to sleep or get into a proper sleep cycle. Your mind constantly tries to analyze and fix problems, creating a non-stop mental chatter. High levels of stress can also cause memory problems, making you forget things or draw a blank more often. Your body might also show strange symptoms, a sensation like a lump in your throat or feeling nauseous, and you might become easily irritable or overly worried. Your mood tends to stay negative, only seeing the bad things. You might even start avoiding social gatherings or events just because you don't want to face your emotions. If this anxiety continues for many years, it doesn't just make you tired. It also increases the risk of developing serious health problems. Chronic anxiety can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, and a weakened immune system. Your adrenal glands can become worn out, causing hormonal imbalances in both men and women. All these illnesses come with colossal treatment costs. An acute heart attack can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and continuous expenses for blood pressure. Cholesterol and diabetes medications can erode your finances by thousands of dollars each year. Clearly declining physical and mental health due to anxiety not only makes you tired, but can also seriously affect your ability to work. Earn money and maintain financial independence. Are you ready to turn anxiety into savings? Now is the time to dive into 5 golden keys from nature. See them as the smartest investments you can make for both your health and your finances. Important note: while this information is very helpful for educational purposes, you should always consult your doctor before changing or supplementing anything in your regimen, especially if you are taking medication. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Peaceful fuel for your brain. When you feel stressed, emotional, or threatened, parts of your brain like the amygdala and hippocampus burn through your B1 stores to make energy. This means the more anxious you are, the more easily you become deficient in B1. Eating a lot of sugar-refined foods or drinking caffeinated beverages can also deplete your valuable vitamin B1. Fortunately, vitamin B1, along with other B-complex vitamins, helps to calm and balance your autonomic nervous system. This helps turn off the fight-flight response that causes your anxiety, helping you feel less nervous, less irritable, have fewer nightmares, and fewer panic attacks. When your mind is calmer, you'll reduce the need for costly stress coping solutions or spend less money on sleep aids or anxiety medications. To supplement B1, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast to your daily diet. You can eat it in yogurt soups, stews, or sprinkle it over a salad. Because B vitamins are water-soluble and absorbed very quickly, you may start to feel calmer and more relaxed within minutes. You can also get more B1 by eating sunflower seeds, organic pork, pasture-raised eggs, and wild fish. 2. Probiotic good bacteria. Your second brain. Protecting your mood inside your large intestine, there are billions of live friendly microbes that help you break down and digest foods and maintain overall body health. However, these microbes are very sensitive and can easily be destroyed when we take antibiotic drugs/medications, consume artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, e.g. diet soda drinks, or by eating non-organic produce that are sprayed with chemical weed killers and insecticides. Not eating enough soluble fiber can also cause these microbes to become sluggish. Fortunately, these beneficial microbes actually produce B vitamins like vitamin B1, B2, B12, etc. that all help to keep your mood stable and prevent prolonged states of anxiety. A healthy digestive system helps the body absorb nutrients better, reduces gut-related health problems, and improves mood, thereby reducing costs for medications and mental health support therapies. To boost your probiotics, start eating fermented vegetables as a side dish at least 3 times per week, such as sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles, or try kefir. You should also add foods rich in soluble fiber. Prebiotic like chia seeds, avocados, asparagus, cocoa powder, and pecans. If you wish, you can also take a probiotic supplement at least 100 billion CFUs daily. 3. Vitamin D. Sunshine against cortisol. People who experience anxiety struggle to sleep soundly at night or have problems with overthinking. Usually have high levels of cortisol stress hormone. Cortisol is part of the fight or flight mechanism, keeping the body in an alert, responsive state when it perceives a threat. Unfortunately, billions of people worldwide are deficient in vitamin D because of living/working indoors and other factors which can make anxiety symptoms much worse. The solution is very simple. Going outside into nature and getting sunlight on your skin triggers the production of vitamin D. Vitamin D counters high cortisol and makes you feel more relaxed, putting your body into a state of focus, calmness, and balance. Reducing stress hormones helps protect heart health, reduces the risk of high blood pressure and other stress-related diseases, thereby significantly cutting long-term medical costs. You can also take 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 along with 100 mcg of K2 on a daily basis, but always consult your doctor about the appropriate dosage, especially if you are taking other medications. 4. Magnesium and potassium. The balancing mineral duo for your heart. Magnesium and potassium are vital minerals and electrolytes that play a crucial role in controlling energy production within the mitochondria of cells. Insufficient levels of these minerals can make you more susceptible to stress, anxiety, depression, insomnia, and brain fog. Magnesium is particularly essential for building neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA, which help you feel calm, happy, and healthy. It's also important for activating and converting vitamin B1 into its active form, and is often used to reduce stress and muscle cramps. Similarly, potassium helps elevate mood by improving certain mechanisms in the brain and nervous system, helping to turn off the fight or flight response. Ensuring adequate intake of magnesium and potassium not only helps reduce physical and mental stress, avoiding the cost of muscle relaxants and sleeping pills, but also supports cardiovascular function, reducing the risk of diseases related to high blood pressure. To boost your magnesium and potassium intake, eat plenty of avocados and dark leafy greens such as kale, broccoli, beet greens, bok choy cabbage, and collard greens. You can also use electrolyte powder in the form of potassium citrate 1000 ml and magnesium citrate 120 mg mixed with water. 5. Passionflower tea. Ancient herbal equal calm. Caffeinated drinks like coffee and soda can raise cortisol and worsen anxiety. For an alternative, try passionflower tea. This herb is rich in plant compounds shown to boost GABA in the brain. GABA slows down certain signals in the central nervous system, helping to calm overstimulated nerves and relax you. Studies have even indicated that passionflower tea is as effective as a sedative for anxiety. Oxazepam, but without the side effects. Replacing expensive beverages with this natural herbal tea will not only save you money, but also reduce your reliance on sleeping pills or sedatives. Drink 1 cup of passionflower tea in the evening, or steep 1 tablespoon of dried passion flower in hot water. This will help you relax and increase deep sleep, bringing your entire body into balance. Beyond the 5 golden keys from nature, adjusting your daily lifestyle is a cost-free investment that yields immense returns for both your health and your finances. Important note: while this information is highly beneficial for educational purposes, you should always consult your doctor before making any changes or additions to your regimen, especially if you are taking medication. 1. Cut out stimulants and sugar. Cleanse your body and your wallet. Caffeinated drinks like coffee, soda, and sugar increase stress hormones, worsening anxiety and depleting precious vitamin B1. Replacing them with herbal teas helps boost GABA, calming the nervous system. This saves you money on unhealthy purchases and helps you avoid countless medical bills from diseases linked to poor eating habits. 2. Exercise outdoors. A free natural remedy. To break the cycle of stress, spend 45 minutes daily walking gently in a park or a green space. Natural essential oils and oxygen will soothe your nervous system, turning off the fight or flight response. This is a free exercise that brings great benefits for cardiovascular health, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of expensive illnesses. 3. Organize your living environment. Declutter your mind. A cluttered living space can cause stress and clutter your mind. By organizing and eliminating unnecessary items, you'll bring order to your living space, which in turn brings peace to your mind. While not directly saving you cash, a peaceful mind will help you make wiser financial decisions. 4. Use relaxing essential oils. Peaceful aromas at home diffuse calming essential oils like ylang ylang, black cherry lavender, clary sage, and jasmine in your home. These scents help soothe the nervous system as you breathe deeply. This is an effective way to relax at home, saving you money compared to costly external therapies. 5. Get enough quality sleep, the golden remedy. For health and your wallet, getting 8 hours of sleep each night is crucial for overcoming anxiety. Chronic anxiety disrupts sleep and imbalances cortisol. Try going to bed earlier. Turning off your phone and relaxing your body. Visualize thoughts floating away like bubbles. Deep sleep helps balance cortisol, improves overall health, and directly reduces the risk of illness, saving you a lot on medication and medical expenses. As you can see, anxiety is truly a double burden, threatening both your health and your wallet. But don't despair. You absolutely have the power to change it. By combining the 5 golden keys from nature and simple lifestyle changes, you are actively turning off your body's fight or flight stress response and activating the rest and digest system to regain peace. This isn't just about improving mental health, it's also one of the wisest financial strategies you can implement right now. Every small step you take today to reduce anxiety is a big saving on tomorrow's medical bills and an invaluable investment in a secure, happy, and financially independent life as you enter your golden years. So what will you start applying first this week to reduce anxiety and save money? Share your plan or what you've done to feel better in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family, those who also need an escape from anxiety and want to protect their wallets. And be sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on valuable science-backed health information that helps you live healthier and happier every day.